You can hear me, right? Go on, click that red subscribe button and you see a bell right there, click on it. So when I post a video, you'll hear the bell ring too. Now let's start with the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Cooking Dragon. So in this video, I won't be showing you how to cook anything. This is my first travel vlog and I'm going to, you can guess from the title, Chennai. So we are actually not moving to Chennai. We're moving for a month there because my grandmother stays there and I'm going to show you the whole trip. So let's go. We have so much baggage and just 4 people are going and an infant. So I'll just show you how many we have. So this is a laptop bag. This has my mother's laptop, etc. This is my brother's bag, diaper. This is a purse. A baggage for clothing. That's my baggage for my clothing. This is one more bag with more clothing, one more bag with more clothing, and another laptop bag for my schoolwork. Wow. My friend has also come to meet me. And now we're going. Bye. Also, I had collabed with a girl called Fun with Swarnika. Don't subscribe to her. Okay. And we also had made a collab, but we had to delete it due to some security reasons. So, guys, right now we're in a cab and we have to wear these masks and face shields. It's really suffocating, but we have to wear these. So, meet you in the airport. Yeah. This is the second straight escalator or whatever we call it. This is my luggage. And near the end. Oh, we reached. Lots of shops here. Meet you in the flight. Lots of people are also going but without face shields. So, I don't know. This is triggered insan style. Non-collab. Wow. It's been so long since I came here and there's relay. But I can't go right now because we need to get to our flight. Baby on board? Oh yes, we have a baby on board, but we don't need your things. We have diapers. Thank you. One more. That's my brother. Time for the third escalator, straight escalator. Guys, I'm going to be breaking the rules. Well, not technically breaking the rules, but I'm going to walk. And it's way faster than using this straight escalator or whatever. So, yeah, let's go. My brother is coming from there. Let's run. Somebody's mask. Ew. And the winner is Sahana Kagea. Yes, that's my full name, if you didn't understand. So many people, guys. I thought this whole airport was going to be empty and we are the only ones going. Well, and this is 41, ours is 42. So we need to go there. Let's go. I'm all alone on this journey now. No one is with me. Wow. I can't believe I'm seeing so many people. And so many people in so many shops. I don't know where. Oh, there they are. Okay, let's keep walking. Wow, a face shielder. I'm not alone, I guess. So many boats, but no one following them. Huh? Where's 42? It's 43 to 62. Guys, we found out that it's downstairs. There's one more escalator that's going down, so we're going to go there. These seats are almost empty. Wow, a TV, a free TV. Not sponsored. Wow, these are filled. Maybe that's for the VIPs. One more Samsung TV. Again, not sponsored. One more. Wow, so many people. They're looking at me holding a phone. They're staring at me very weirdly. Now we go to our seats. Yay, our seats. Why are these people staring at me? Such beautiful people in the bathrooms. Wow. Few dustbins here. More weird staring. So that is 42. We're supposed to go to 42B. That's 44. Beside that is 42. So many people. I thought this place was going to be completely deserted. Only a few people should be there. Psst. That means I'm going to be drinking iced tea. So guys, right now I'm in the flight. You can see the flight's plane and there's a spice jet. What a dhoom-dham wali fight. So guys, we still have to wear these face masks and shields. It's really uncomfortable. So we are going to go up right now, as in we're going to take off. And we have to wear these masks, or people will be like, who is this girl, why is she shouting and all that. So see you up on the flight.
see the land there. So that's Chennai. This is the Marina Beach. Lots of buildings there, so that's where we're going to land, I guess. Wow, it looks so beautiful from here also. And this is the sea, that's the land. So like the partition between it, that's like the sand of the beach. There also there's like lots of beaches back there too. So yeah, we'll meet you after landing. We're back from the airport now and we're home. So we've already cleaned this place, as you can see. So it's just like, I think it's already night because I didn't get time to shoot. So I guess we're back and that's the end of my vlog. See you in the next video. Bye.